So if this is your first time to the channel, we want to extend you a very warm welcome. If you've been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If today is your birthday, happy birthday. On Wednesdays we tend to do tips and tricks, product reviews and other various things, and on Sundays we do builds. This Wednesday we're going to do something a little different. It is a review, but it's not a tool review. One of the items that you need in order to maintain safety in the shop relates to your clothing. And today I'm wearing an apron. I'm Vanna wearing it today, huh? And why what you wear is important is, first of all, it protects your clothes underneath. Second, it can protect you from things like sparks that on occasion might get your clothes on fire. What are you laughing at? For those of you that have been in the channel for some time, you might recall this happened to me actually once. And the third is, when you wear comfortable clothes, you have the ability to work better and generate a better product. Now, in full disclosure, this item has been sent to me by the company that manufactures it, so I did not pay for this, but the company did not provide any direction on what I should say in my review. So what you're going to hear is my opinion. You also might have noticed that I've worn this at least for the last 2 episodes, and the reason for that is that I did not want to review something that I haven't used. I don't think that's appropriate. The company is called olrp, and I'm going to put a link up. Is it visible?
Yep.
So I'm going to put a link both on the upstairs, one of the 2 upstairs, and also on the comments. They have an awesome website and they have awesome products, and they don't only have products for the craftsman, but also other things like I think they have purses and do you remember?
I don't remember, sorry.
But they make a lot of nice leather products. This is a very nice thick leather. It is double stitched. Nice pocket here.
And they personalized it for you.
Alright, that says the garage woodworker.
Well, it
WGW.
says TGW for the garage woodworker.
Right. So personalization is free with your order. And if you see, it has place for maybe a couple of hammers or a drill, or let's see what we can put there.
You're supposed to stay still.
I don't want to stay still. Scam likely calls this.
Great, right on camera.
Huh?
Right on camera.
Right on camera what?
You're scam likely.
Oh. So you can put something even as big as a drill and it really stays there. Or a hammer or something like this, and there are 2 of those. They are very nice big loops. They're leather with rivets. And I must say, I've really enjoyed wearing this the last 2 episodes. Most definitely, it kept my clothes much cleaner. So when I finished working, it was nice to go back in the house, take the apron off, and have nice clean clothes. Or in the past I was totally covered in sawdust, as most of you are. And I have not really worn an apron before routinely. I have worn an apron, a leather apron, when I do welding, something that we have not really shown on the channel because my welding skills are not really at the level of showing other people what I do. But that is for protection. I could probably wear this for welding too, I think. I like the material a lot.
It's a really nice canvas. This particular one is a black canvas duck cloth with the leather pocket up front. These pockets are canvas, but they do have a leather banding here. And there are 2 pockets here and here, 2 pockets here and here. There's a loop on either side, plus this front pocket, which again is a leather pocket.
Awesome for my phone. if you noticed from the last video we make. I really like putting my phone there. And in the back it has a very nice, positive, what you would call it?
This is, I don't know what the correct term is, but it's definitely a routing for your strap. So your strap goes here and here, goes through this middle piece, which again is leather. And then each strap goes to the side. There is a leather loop here, which stops the end piece of your strap from going through. And so then when you're ready to tighten it, you pull that and then tie it in the back. And so you can use this to adjust, to keep it in the middle, and then tighten that there. Really nice features on this apron.
And I can tell you from experience, when you see a video that is about 30 minutes, we have spent much more than 30 minutes shooting it. Every project takes longer when you have to videotape it. So in the instances I wore it, and again since I received it I've worn it in every project we build, I have never had to adjust this. I just put it on, I adjust it before I come out in the shop, and then I'm done and I go back in the house and take it off. And to me that's a big plus. I don't have to fiddle with it all the time.
Stays put.
Unlike my welding one that I have to keep tightening because it has a strap around it. It's not the system that you just saw in the back, and I do have to keep tightening it, which is kind of annoying. So
these straps are also a leather,
right?
And then they go into the canvas style straps back in here, but at least this front part is leather.
And it feels substantial. These have two rivets here, so even when you have this loaded, it doesn't feel like you don't feel that you have it on. It is a very nice design. The people that made it did an awesome job. I do recommend it. Again, this is my opinion. I was not asked to provide any endorsement per se. I was asked if I would be willing to review it, and that's what I'm doing. But without any doubt, I definitely recommend it. This is an entry level. It is very affordable. Again, I will encourage you to go to the site and view it, and I might put a link of this specific one so you can go see this specific one. It comes on different colors. I believe it comes in a brown. I'm trying to remember. A
brown and a green and a black, if I recall. Plus they have an all leather option.
Yes, and I think the green has brown leather or something like that.
Yeah.
So you will find something you like, and I would love for you guys to support this company. It seems that it's a small company, but very quality material that they use. And clearly, I love the double stitching here. I mean, I feel very comfortable that this is not going to break and drop my phone or anything I have here in the pocket. And as you can see, this is still staying very positively here. I feel like I'm in the Old West, you know. That could be a new intro. Right?
Sure. Right.
Can you pull a gun, not a gun,
drill.
A drill faster than the garage woodworker? Let's do a competition, you know, and see who can do it faster. But anyway, I do love this thing. I have again worn it every time that we film since I got it. I, without any question, recommend it to you guys. And I hope when you get yours, you're going to enjoy it as much as I enjoy mine. But in closing, again, I highly recommend this apron. And please visit this company. It is called OLPR, and it is olpr.com. Can you see that well or not? And I will put it again up on a card and below in the comments. If you like videos like this, please let me know. I can tell you that we will never feature a product that I don't believe in, and we'll definitely never accept a sponsorship or a gift that comes with the obligation to say good things about it. I can honestly say this company didn't give me any direction. They just said, would you be willing to try our products and do a review? I said sure, and I definitely love it. I really like this thing. Now Elpida doesn't have one, but I think she likes the look of it. I don't know.
I like the look of it, and I like the functionality of it, the design. It's very nice.
And it is very, I'm very free. In other words, it doesn't constrict me.
Constrict.
Good grief, I cannot speak. It doesn't constrict
Wrap
me
it up
in
then,
any way.
dude.
Huh?
Wrap it up then.
I am trying to wrap it up. Alright folks, thank you for watching and forgive my rambling. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I hope you will go and support Oil. I cannot remember the name of it.
Oil?
OLPR.
olpr.com.
Well, the company is called OLPR, not olpr.com.
Well, but .com is the web address.
.com.
.com.
I very strongly recommend it. I hope you found this episode at least at the minimum entertaining. Let us know if you don't want to see episodes like that, or if you do want to see episodes like that. What are you doing? I'm losing Elpida here, guys. What are you? What in the world are you
Just
doing?
finish.
Oh my goodness. Well, thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you don't, the other button works as well. Share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and press the little bell icon so you get notified every time we post something new. Thank you for your continued support, and I will see you on Sunday with another build from the Garage Woodworker, and
I'll be there.
have a great week.